Hey everyone, I hoping you're doing well. Let me share with you a little experience of my last project. My client Lars from Sweden needs an ambitious version for his car racing game. Lars wanted his game's vehicles, cars and trucks to be revamped with intricate 3D style illustrations, capturing every detail and nuance to enhance the gaming experience. Lars had been following work for some time and admired the artist's ability to blend realism with creativity. He reached out to me with an order, 6 detailed illustrations that would breathe new life into the game's fleet. Lars's racing game wasn't just any ordinary game, it was his passion project, a dream he had been working on for years. The cars in his game needed a makeover to keep up with the latest gaming trends and to provide players with a visually stunning experience. I was thrilled at the opportunity to work on such a creative and challenging project. With a keen eye for detail and a love for all things automotive, Alex began sketching the initial concepts. Each illustration required hours of meticulous work, from capturing the sleek curves of the sports cars to the rugged features of the trucks. As the illustrations progressed, Lars couldn't hide his excitement. The new designs were exactly what he had envisioned. Each vehicle looked like it could leap off the screen and onto the racetrack. The 3D style illustrations added depth and realism, making the cars and trucks look more lifelike than ever. With the final illustrations completed, I sent them over to Lars, who was over the moon with the results. The updated vehicles were integrated into the game, and players soon noticed the difference. The game felt more immersive and visually appealing. The project was a huge success. For me, it was a rewarding experience that showcased my skills and passion for illustration. For Lars, it was a dream come true to see his game reach new heights with the help of a talented artist from halfway across the world. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to be a professional graphics designer, follow me for more interesting videos. I'll share my experience with you that helps you to be more passionate and professional. Thank you.